Hey there YouTube surfers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and brief demonstration of this UGREEN Nexode robot 30 watt GaN charger. Bought this on Amazon. It's a USB type C charger and the face changes when you are charging, or when your battery is not completely charged, and then the face changes when it's completely charged. It was like $20. I wanted a GaN charger anyway, so I thought this was kind of neat. And this is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form. This is just for fun. So let's check this thing out. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what the heck is a GaN charger, well, it's the latest technology. Apparently, it's been out for a little while, but it's a GaN charger. It's a charger built with gallium nitride rather than the more popular silicon. As a result, it's more compact, energy efficient, and quick to charge than a conventional charger. So there you go. Basically a charger that's more compact and more efficient. All right. Let's open this up, check it out. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like that's actually a sticker on there. Let's take them out. Now I've read that, oh, there it says right there, 30 watt. We're gonna test that out. Oh, okay, the feet come off. That's kind of neat. It's kind of a cute little thing for your desk. Feet come off and there's the charger. And I've got over here, my desk happens to have like a built-in power strip, which will be perfect for this. All right, I'm gonna peel the sticker off. I'm gonna try to preserve it because I've read reviews that without the sticker, there's no face unless it's charging, so, which is kind of a bummer, which I kind of see what they mean, so I'm gonna try to hold on to that. I'm sure that won't last long, but all right, I've got a USB. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I've got a meter here, USB meter that'll, well, actually, before I do that, let's just check, let's just see if it works. I'm sure it does. Let's plug it in there, take the feet off. This thing is cool, but these little earmuff things make a nice little way to pull it out of a socket. So that's kind of neat. Yeah, $20, I know. It's definitely a nerd type thing, but you know how it goes. All right, so I've got my iPhone 13 Pro Max here. It's at 32%. That way we know this thing will ramp up to, it should ramp up to 30. I think actually probably stop at 27 watts. We'll show that in a second, but let's see if it's charging. Oh yeah, face, let's see if I can zoom in on the face here. I gotta take this off the stand, give me 1 second. There we go, you can see it's charging. That just lit up. If I were to unplug it. Yeah. It takes a second, doesn't it? And you can see my phone is charging. Maybe. Okay, now let's check and see how many watts are actually going into this. So I got this little meter I picked up, another very geeky thing, but it'll check the voltage, the wattage, the amps coming out of the charger. We'll see if it's really putting out, like I said, it'll probably stop at 25 watts or something like that, but let's check it out. Oh, it's got an input of USB C input. I'll put a link in the description for this as well. USB A, and then USB C, or USB C and USB A out. So anyway, and it's got this micro USB. I don't know why why this is in here. I think that's just so, maybe to keep dirt out. I don't know. There's probably a reason for it, but anyway, this is like $16, so it's pretty cheap as well. So I plug this in, and let's see, phone is charging. All right, now this is gonna get, unfortunately, it's gonna be sideways, but you can see in red, adjust this a little bit. You can see in red it shows, showing 17 watts right now. That's the wattage. The top one is the volts, and the middle one, the green one, is the amps. So it's going up to, if you watch the red one, it's at 21. This will be a good test also to see if a 30 watt charger is even worth it over a 20 watt charger. I've heard even if they charge at, say, even if they can charge at 25, 27 watts, it's not going to have that great of an impact on your charge time. You might save 5-10 minutes in the end. Oh, there it's up to 24. So 24.15, bouncing around. Looking at the red number again. And it should be charging at full speed at this point, because iPhones and probably most Android phones will charge at full speed if they're less than 80%. Once they hit 80% charge, then they slow down to save the battery. So now I'm just gonna let this video run for an hour and a half and see how long it takes to charge. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. But so it looks like it's tough. See, now it's going back down to 21. You know, and I don't know how great of a meter this is. You know, this is a $16 meter, so it might not be the world's greatest. But you did see it ramp up to 24, 25 for a little bit. Now it's back to 21. And you can still see he's still happy. Huh, I thought it would go a little higher. It's weird, it's back down to like 21 point, almost 22. All right, while I'm down here, I'm gonna try this other charger. So this is a non-GaN charger, and this is, I believe, a 20 watt. This is an Anker Nano, very popular charger. This is before they started putting out the GaN chargers though. So I tested this one last night, and it was right about 20 watts, maybe 19 point something, but let's check it out. Again, sorry for the sideways readout, but if nothing else, it helps you stretch your neck out, get that good neck stretch going. Let's see, it's at 9, it's ramping up. Takes a second. So again, really anything special about this charger is it looks like a robot, so it's kind of neat on your desk. Let's see, this one's at 9, this one's showing 19 point something. So right, you could say 20 watts. So there you have it, the Anker regular. I'll put a link to this too. This is an older one, but I think I still have it. I think you can still get it. It's still does about 20 watts. So this thing was probably almost the same price as this. So this is UGREEN. You know, you can make your choice either way. I think this is just neat, but so for wattage, you'll get like 2 or 3, maybe 5 more watts out of this that we're getting out of this one. So, all right, so after waiting about 2 to 3 minutes, I did see it go up to 21 watts for a minute, and then it went back down. So that has a lot to do with the phone. So I think it's just the iPhone throttling it down. One more thing I just discovered with this is that the feet are magnetic. So you could actually stick this on your fridge. It's not super strong, but it would work. Let's see if it'll hold from here. Probably not. Wow. So that's it for the Nexode UGREEN robot GaN charger. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. And have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you've liked this video. And have a great one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.